that you have your new AP01, follow these basic steps to set up your watch.
First, go to the time mode. If another mode is shown, press the B button on the upper left side of the watch until the indication Time appears. Then, keep the B button pressed for more than 2 seconds to show the basic setting mode. If the digits start flashing, the basic setting mode is activated. When the word wide is shown in the lowest row of the display, you can select the digit size of the time display between normal and large by pressing either button A or D. After selecting the digit size, press the E button to go to the next setting. The word Auto will appear, and the auto backlight function can now be turned on or off. When this function is turned on, the backlight will light up for 2 seconds with the press of any of the buttons during normal use. Press the button A or D to turn this function on or off. Now to set your time, press the E button and the seconds digit will start to flash. Pressing the A or D button will reset the seconds to 0. Then press the E button to make the minute digits flash. Pressing the A or D button increases or decreases the digits, respectively. Press either A or D repeatedly to set the minutes. By holding either button down, you'll be able to scroll through the digits quickly. In the rest of the video, the prompt Quick Setting with button A or D will be shown if this button operation is available for setting an item. Now that you've set the minutes, press button E to show the flashing hour digits. Set the hour in the same manner you set the minutes and press E to proceed to the next setting item. Follow the same steps to set the date as you did with the time. Then do the same to set up the month and then year accordingly. By setting the date, month, and year, the day of the week is set automatically. Press the E button again to select if you want to use 12 or 24-hour time system. This selection will again be made by pressing the A or D button. Another press of the E button shows the display to select your preferred measurement unit. You can select the unit combination of kilograms or kilometers, or pounds and mile by pressing the A or D button. Again, press the E button to set your weight into the watch. Press either the A or D buttons repeatedly to set your weight. Another press of the E button shows the display to set your gender. Press the A or D button to select male or female. Now pressing the E button will take us to the shoe's impact meter setting display. If you are already using an ASICS running shoe, input the shoe's impact value corresponding to the accumulated distance you ran with the shoes. For example, input 100, 200, or 300 if you ran 100, 200, or 300 kilometers, respectively, with the shoes. The shoe's impact value can be input in 1-digit increments. If the accumulated distance is represented in miles, calculate the shoe's impact value by dividing the distance by 0.625. For more details about this feature, please watch the video explaining the use of the shoe impact meter. Next, press the E button to show the display to set the eco function. The eco function automatically turns off the display to save the battery if the watch is left untouched for the time period you have set. Press button A or D to select such time period. Another press of the E button shows the display that can adjust the contrast of the watch display. The contrast can be adjusted in 7 levels from -3 to 3. Press button A or D to set the contrast. Now all the settings have been completed. Pressing the E button again will return you to the selection of the digit size. Press the B button to return the display to the regular time mode.